Hello, welcome to Dr. RS channel. This is Dr. Rifa Siddiq. I'm going to talk about acne today. Acne is really a huge problem, especially in younger people, teenagers, and it is very stressful. It actually can really affect their mental health, their physical health, and their professional health and their future, because they get so upset and they start hiding, they they are not, their confidence is undermined. So it's a huge problem in younger adults. So we need to have some simple solution for that. But first let's talk about what is acne. Actually, acne is under our skin. There are sebaceous glands. Sebaceous glands, once they get infected or inflamed, that's how they pop up on the skin. Under the skin, when the hair follicles, their opening of the hair, they get clogged with oil or with dead skin, and then underneath, then they start getting inflamed and infection. And there's multiple different type of acne. Some is very simple, some is really it's like aggressive acne. So first of all, when any of the teenager or young adult, they are having acne, see your doctor or see your dermatologist. But I'll give you few tips which can help you right away, and especially your young children, when they are like in teens, start talking to your children how we can actually prevent acne. So we should do things ahead of time. So we should not have acne to begin with. So there are some things which we can do to prevent acne. So there is like a hormone imbalance. When we are young, little children, hormones are not that active. When we are actually grown little older, in teen, 13, 14, 15, so the boys and the girls, they get hormones. They have surge of hormones. They have lot of androgen, lots and lots of estrogen. So there is imbalance. We don't need that kind of active hormones in our system. So what happened? How we can make these hormones inactive? So let's understand that a little bit. So what we should do is, in our liver, these hormones, androgen and estrogens, they get inactive. So we get little bit in the active form. If we have too much of androgen and estrogen in an active form, then there's a lot of oils, there are a lot of things under our skin, and they are popping up, then we have a lot of acne. So how we can, what happened in our liver? There is a protein which actually make these hormones inactive. So if we have that protein enough in our liver to make these hormones, surge of hormone, to make them like, they will make these hormone to sleep. We don't want active. We have a lot of hormones, but in an inactive form. So in the liver, that protein makes that hormone inactive. But we have to have enough protein. But unfortunately, what happens when we eat lot of carbohydrate, lot of snacks, all these sweet things? If you see all the snacks young children eat is full of sugar. You can pick any snack and that is full of sugar. So when we eat lot of carbohydrate, there is increased insulin in our system. And when we have increased insulin in our system, that go and make that protein less and less. So increase insulin, less protein. Less protein, increase hormone. So when we are eating carbohydrate, a lot of carbohydrate or sugar, actually increase insulin. Once is this increase insulin, decrease protein. Once it's decreased protein, you have increased androgen. So that's very important to understand. It's a very simple fact. So conclusion of this point is that please ask your children to stay away from carbohydrates, stay away from sugar. So if they want to look beautiful, acne free, they have to cut down or stay totally from the sugar. Then they will have less androgen in your system, less estrogen in your system, and you will have less oil, less clogging of your pores, and you will have a beautiful skin. So that's one point you need to understand. The second point is that the fatty liver. We eat lot of things actually, lot of oily thing, fried thing that make our liver fatty even at a young age or older age. So when we have a fatty liver, again the concept go back to, if we have fatty liver, less protein, increase androgen. So always remember that. So fatty liver is really doing the same thing as your increased carbohydrate is doing. Next point is thyroid problem. Anytime any of your child or yourself is having acne problem, go to your doctor, have your thyroid check, have your sugar check, have your liver check. That's important thing. Then high cortisol level. That is directly related to the stress. So increased stress, increased cortisol level. So you need to also learn how to handle your stress. We have done earlier a lot of programs on that, how to manage your anxiety, how to manage your stress. So you can watch that also. But managing your stress is extremely important. I hope that this is helpful. So what we are going to, I have some tips which can actually reduce the inflammation. Green tea can help you reduce the inflammation. Turmeric, you can make turmeric paste and put it on your skin. That will be helpful. It will reduce the inflammation. Also, you can use any of the antioxidant, any diet which has antioxidant. We have, everyone knows about that honey. Sometimes you can make a paste of honey and put it on your face. Trust me, it will help you. Don't think that honey is anti-inflammatory. Don't touch your skin. Once you have anything on your skin, don't touch it, because if you touch it, it's going to actually worsen your inflammation, and the scarring will be permanent. Once the scar is there, you will not have a skin go back to the normal. And use organic food, because organic food doesn't have hormones, so you need to stay away from hormones. So I hope that this video is going to help you in any way possible. Thank you for watching.